Today we're headed off to Tombstone. Not a Jeep adventure, but an adventure nonetheless. We're going to take the wife mobile.
I mean, just last night.
Not with the likes of you, I don't. You said you cut up a man last night. That's against the law here. Now you're under arrest, and you're going to my jail. But first, I'll have that smoke wagon there real slow like. That's strapped first.
You! Want my pistola?
Give it to me!
In my grave, over the beat on which love and beauty, hoping I lose my happy ways. Look at that big ass move along, yeah, with my Ladies and gentlemen, get ready to witness. Something related to it's money. No, I'm not going to say it, Jeff. I'm not going to do it.
Hi guys, you guys want to sign up for a ghost tour? All right.
You don't get anything back in there.
Just a reminder, Tombstone Lions Club is a member of the Lions Club International, the world's largest service organization. Our next group from Phoenix, Arizona, and various other parts of the Southwest. Let's have a big round of applause for the Salt River Regulators. Thank you, Pat. All right, folks, how's all y'all doing today? Wow, really? Come on, you can do better now. How y'all doing today, Tombstone? That's what I want to hear. That's what my actors want to hear. Well, like you said, we're the Salt River Regulators. And I would like to take a moment to remember all the soldiers who have come back and or never come back from all the wars that we've had over the years. I think it'd be a good time just a second or two of a nice round of applause for our veterans. Thank you very much for what you do, and we remember you that have not come back or have come back kind of wounded. We definitely appreciate your services. On that note, I know you don't want to hear me sitting around here yakking, but what we're going to do here is we're going to do a little safety demonstration just to show you how dangerous what we do can be to the human skin. So we have here is an aluminum can, not necessarily picking colors or not, but we picked aluminum can because it's roughly the same density as a human skin. It's just about 7 times thicker. So if we can get it to stay up. So this is why we have the ropes up and tell you to stay back and stay safe, not just for you people, but for us as well. All right, there, Steve, you're a dynamite dick. You're just gonna have to blast it. Yeah. Fire in the hole. So that's why when they ask you to stay behind the ropes, that's why we mean it. On that note, we're gonna give you a little skit today called "Don't Bring Your Guns to Town," and you'll see exactly why.
I didn't get a harumph from you. There we go.
Hopefully they won't get on the wrong side of the 60.
Clear it up when they come out on the right side.
Hey, Myra!
Cowboys are shooting inside here.
Hey, boy! How we doing today?
Oh, we're good, Marshall. How are you?
Glad to hear you're having a good time right now. Dog. That's one question for you, though. Did you see the sign outside of town?
What sign? I can't see.
The one that says no guns in town? That sign?
Either a finger I can read.
Spell it out for you?
Sure.
What I'm trying to tell you is you get a little fun life. Get around the world, spend money, that's what we want. Like be some gunplay here in a little bit.
Who's gonna clean the mess up this time? The new kid.
Don't look at me.
Oh, that's right.
The new kid.
Yeah.
He gets to clean the mess up.
How long?
It's okay.
That's gonna be a problem, senor.
It's
Neither of us have a watch. It's been pretty tough for somebody to stand by himself.
Loaded? Ready? You got that scatter gun?
Yeah, I'm ready.
I don't think this is going to go easily.
We've already got it figured out, boss.
Alright?
The new kid cleans up.
Well, let's hope so. I hope you're worth your money.
Works for me.
Less paperwork.
Yeah.
So, what do you think? You think they're going to give up their guns to me, or you want them to die? Oh,
We didn't get a
coming
run
from a
from
big
him.
man
He
who's
needs to
wearing
tell us.
short breeches. I think your mom didn't do the laundry quite right.
Where we are? Oh, man.
They at it again?
They're at it again.
All right, boys. Time's up. Oh, you're 2.5 minutes, right?
We did this one, we danced this one before, haven't we?
Yeah. So, boys, have you made up your mind yet? What's it gonna be?
I think we're gonna stay. We like it just the way it is.
Especially when you're by yourself.
All right, boys. Now you know why I said don't bring your guns to town. Clean up your trash. By yourself.
You heard? You got a job to do, son. Get to cleaning.
Well, that was Tombstone, Wyatt Earp Days. We had a lot of fun. I've never actually stayed and watched an entire skit in the middle of the road, so that was actually pretty enjoyable. I hope you guys liked it. Next time.